Hello, this is Alicia back with the Desert Wind How to Crochet. The one we will be doing here is known as the half double crochet. I already have a started baseline boom of regular single crochets I'll be working off of. To do the half double, it's very similar to the double, which you've probably already looked at, but we wrap the yarn around the needle. It goes into the slot where you're doing your crochet. I wrap it around again, but instead of just pulling it, I pull it through once, and then unlike the double where I'd pull it through these two loops, I'm actually going to pull it through all three, like so. And now let's do it again. Wrap around once, go through the hole, wrap around, pull through once, wrap around, pull through all three. And there we have it, an entire row of half double crochets.